This is Lexus ES350 2009 model, accidented. So this vehicle is just dead. There's no light coming on in the ignition. Like, the vehicle is literally dead. So figured out that this control circuit, there is another relay here. As you can see, the relay is no longer there. The relay is broken. For the accident, you can see the side fender is changed. So I have to purchase another spare parts. It is the one we fixed. And this is the problem I'm facing right here. The steering is locked. So if you try to press the start button, no light, everywhere is dead except for the horn. So this is what I did. After everything, I noticed that everything was okay, so I came here and figured out that there's no ants here. So each time I insert my tester here to test it, there's a limited current that comes in the dashboard. So let me show you guys what I did. So guys, this is the wire I attached here, which is the arch wire. Let me show you guys what I took the parts from. Right here, took the arch from this junction box here. Tap the arch from here. Then, as you can see now, the door sign is not showing. As you can see, the light is now stable. Audio is playing. The steering is moving. The ignition is on. Let's start the car. Thank you guys. If you think there is another way possible to solve this problem, just let me know. Thanks for watching.